Science. Grade 5 Chapter 1. Chapter 1 Part 2. How are properties of materials used to minimize waste? Lesson 2. 5 R's Techniques. Important question. How can we manage waste materials? You already know how to recognize useful and harmful materials. You can now apply what you have learned in the management of waste. You may have already learned about the 3 R's strategy in waste management. The 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Other than the 3 R's, environmentalists propose that to effectively manage waste, the 5 R's techniques can be practiced. For this lesson, you will learn about recover and repair in addition to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. To reduce simply means to lessen the amount of waste in the environment. This can be done by using less materials that are readily disposable, either biodegradable or non-biodegradable. It is therefore important to rethink on kind of products we are going to purchase and whether these products would benefit both humans and the environment. We can do the following. 1. Buy rechargeable batteries instead of disposable for our gadgets. This way, we can minimize waste and save money at the same time. 2. Buy products in bigger packs than those packed in small sachets. Small sachets prevents excessive use of a product, but such practice can increase the production of non-biodegradable waste because more plastic sachets will be discarded. 3. Another way to reduce waste is to reuse materials. Reuse. To reuse means to use again or find other ways to use a material. Examples are the following. 1. Use eco bags when shopping or going to the grocery store. 2. Use reusable containers when packing, storing food or drinks, and even when buying drinks. 3. Use the properties of a material and find some other use for it. For example, empty bottles may be sold to junk shops or small retailers that need small containers for packaging, which minimizes waste and generates extra income for the household. 4. Refrain from buying new materials when you still have supplies that can be reused. This way, existing materials with or without minor damage can be used again for the same or different purpose. For example, you can reuse water bottles as liquid containers. 5. Donate clothes or other useful materials to some organizations that conduct relief operations during calamities. 6. Conduct a garage sale, not just for clothes but for other items that can still be reused. Recycle. To recycle means to create a new product using a material that has already served its purpose. Recycling is different from reusing. Recycling produces a new material out of discarded ones, while reusing uses the same material again for the same or different purpose. For example, glass bottles can be reused as containers of other liquids or materials. However, stained glass bottles can be recycled to form a new product like bottle chimes or paperweights. Recycling prevents wastage of a material that can actually be useful for a different purpose. It also reduces the use of raw materials. For example, to make a fresh paper, a tree has to be cut, but by recycling used papers to make a writing paper, no tree needs to be cut anymore. Recover. All forms of matter have energy. There are various ways of recovering energy from a certain material. So how can energy be recovered from waste? Plastics to oil technology is one way of generating energy from plastic wastes. This method involves heating plastic waste in the presence of water and processing them to produce crude oil. Then, the oil can be used as a source of energy later on. According to American Chemistry Society, the fuel from this technology can not only significantly reduce the amount of waste in the environment, but it can also be used as oil and fuel in generating electricity for small communities.
Recovery waste is not limited to recovering energy. It also involves segregation of materials in a recovery facility. Collected garbage does not go straight to dump sites. Most of the time, the wastes are segregated in a materials recovery facility (MRF). In an MRF, collected garbage is segregated in order to recover recyclables and biodegradable materials that can be used as compost ingredients. Through MRFs, the amount of waste to be disposed of in landfills is reduced.
Repair. To repair means to fix slightly broken things to make them useful again. Repairable materials include furnitures, appliances, and clothes. Instead of discarding broken or busted materials, they can be checked for repairability. If still repairable, these should be repaired instead of buying new materials to replace them. Let us review. 1. How does reusing differ from recycling? A reusing means to create a new product, while recycling means to use again or find other ways to use a material. B. Reuse means to lessen the amount of waste in the environment, while recycling means to create new product using a material that has already served its purpose. C. Recycling produces a new product out of discarded ones, while reusing uses the same material again for the same or different purpose. Answer. C. Recycling produces a new product out of discarded ones, while reusing uses the same material again for the same or different purpose. 2. Which picture shows recycling of products? Answer. Picture B. 3. It means to fix slightly broken things to make them useful again. A. Reduce. B. Reuse. C. Repair. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Repair. 4. Which picture shows reducing? Answer. Picture A.